Hello, my name is Dr. Marjorie Lewis, MD. I am a family medicine physician in the state of Florida, USA, for over 20 years. Since you asked, my favorite snack food is pistachio nuts. However, since the age of 7, I have dreamt of becoming a physician after meeting a female physician in Jamaica, where I was born, before my parents moved to America during my childhood. I have thoroughly enjoyed my role as a physician over these past 20 years, but now I would love to pivot towards authorship and content creation, which I find fascinating. Becoming an author and content creator would give me the opportunity to work from home and solve many problems. Recently, I experienced an unfortunate fall from a 13-foot ladder, which left me with a compression fracture of my lower back, left ankle, and shattered left heel. I had to go from a wheelchair to a scooter to a walker when leaving the house. Though I'm steadily improving, I have been mostly homebound. This change in my work status stirred my former interest in authorship and content creation. I turned to YouTube with its vast library of audiovisual lessons. I invested in the Adobe Creative Cloud suite and Canva, a design platform. I spent many hours on YouTube absorbing as much knowledge as possible. Now I feel I've maxed out my self-learning potential and need to reach out to the greater creator community for guidance and clarity. I have been influenced by many content creators like Zaley Barkley of Start, Shoot, Grow Academy. She highly recommended Thinkific as the best place for course creation. I finally decided to take her up on her challenge to put away my fears and dive right in. So when I saw the Black Friday course bundle deal that was so reasonable, I had no more excuses. So I'm here to help fulfill my dream to become a successful content creator. I'm willing to put in the time and dedication that is needed to make this dream a reality. I believe with the help of the Thinkific staff and fellow content creators, my dream will come true. Thank you, and I look forward to meeting you all online. Have a blessed and wonderful day.